Hello everyone, this is Akshay More, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Botany at GMD Arts, BW Commerce and Science College, Sinnar. Friends, in our last lecture, we studied about mineral resources. Friends, today we are going to study our next topic, that is food resources. First of all, we have to see what is food resources. Friends, plants and animals are the main sources of human food. There are a lot of plants and animals, but only a few can be used as a food for animals or you can say also humans. Uh, for example, cereals, fruits, pulses, vegetables, spices, etc. Which we consume are obtained from plants. Most of the animals provide fruit, food in the form of the milk, meat or egg. Friends, the main food resource are wheat, rice, maize, pulses, sugarcane, sorghum, vegetables, fruits, millets, etc. are provided by plants. But it becomes necessary to increase the production of the crops in order to feed in increasing population. But friends, the production of crops depend upon the climatic factors like rainfall, temperature, and soil condition. The modern technology play a vital role in yield of the crop. This is the basic information about food resources. We are going to see our next point, that is word food problem. Friends, food is one of the basic need of humans, you know very well. But agriculture was done by the traditional method before the Green Revolution, means before 1914, only to sustain the family of the farmers. But increasing population require more food. Friends, food production has been increasing almost three times from the last 50 years, but at the same time, the population went on increasing more than the growth of grain production in the you can say LDC, means less development countries. So about 40 billion children between 1 to 5 years die due to malnutrition or you can say undernourishment in every year. Friends, the food supply and environment are related to each other. Grain production depend on the environmental condition. Therefore, limited supply of food causes of conflict and tension. The nutrition value, the nutritional value of food is measured in terms of caloric index according to the UN World, means United Nations Food Survey. Uh, 2550 to 2650 calories is the minimum need per day per person, right? But the countries of Asia, Latin America, and Africa have very low calories intake. On the other hand, developed countries like USA, United States of America, Canada, Russia, Australia, and European countries have a high calories intake food by day. So this is the major food problems in world. Uh, Friends, we are going to discuss our next topic, that is food problem factors. Friends, these are the food problem major food problem factors that is overgrazing, agriculture, modern agriculture, and fertilizers, pesticides, salinity, etc, etc. We will see one by one. First one, overgrazing. Friends, the wealth of livestock plays the vital role in the survival of rural life in India. Animals need grazing lands of pastures. Whenever the grazing pressure become high, the carrying capacity becomes low, and the sustainability of the grassland fall. Friends, overgrazing remove the vegetations and vegetation cover and the top rich soil cover. Friends, it leads to soil erosion which affects agriculture production and invade thorny bushes and weeds, etc. Next problem, agriculture. Friends, in the past, in the prehistoric period, man was just a hunter and a food gatherer. But about 10,000 to 12,000 years ago, man did agriculture by cultivating plants in the form of uh, burn cultivation or shifting cultivation. This type of method is still practiced in many tribal areas in our country and causes the loss of environment of the area. Friends, by over irrigation, wrong method of farming and fragmentation of farms, continuous crop cultivation lead to the less food grain production and the loss of the biodiversity. Next problem, that is modern agriculture. Friends, the production has increased by adopting green revolution, but only they provide the food of increasing population for getting a lot of agricultural output. The use of uh, HYV, that is high yielding varieties, or fertilizers, pesticide, irrigation water, insecticides, pesticides is essential, but those factors create resistance of reproduction in pest. So salinity problem, water logging, and loss of the biodiversity, etc. main problems or factors for a food problem. Next one, fertilizers. Friends, the use of chemical fertilizer like NPK, that is a nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, you know very well that, but is very essential for boosting up crop growth. But excessive use of such fertilizers cause micronutrients imbalance and decline in soil fertility. Friends, earthworm and other living organisms help to cultivate good crops, but natural manure provide food to such worm, but chemical fertilizers kill them. So the presence of excess nitrate and in drinking water is a dangerous for human health and can be fatal for infants. So we are going to discuss our next topic, that is pesticide. So friends, various pesticides such as mercury, lead, arsenic, or sulfur are used to kill the pest and or insect, and for the protecting our crops. But they have a number of side effects. That is, they can kill targeted species which are useful in agriculture, for example, azotobacter, etc. But by spraying pesticides, some super pest cannot be killed. On the other hand, they give rise to highly resistant generation, which become very harmful. Friends, but some pesticides which are non-biodegradable can enter in the food chain and becomes harmful for the human life. Next factor, that is a salinity. Friends, a salinity problem, one third of the total cultivable land area of the world is affected by salinity. Accumulation of soluble salts in the soil is purely related with the salt content on irrigation water. Friends, this saline soil contains soluble salts like sodium chloride, sodium sulfate, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, etc. But the pH of the such soil usually more than 8.0 salinity causes stunted plant growth and lower crop yield. Friends, that is the main factors they are if affected food problem. Friends, hope you understand this topic. Thank you.